Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Audacity tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to export your Audacity audio file to different kind of file format in Audacity software. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to come to the top right here, go ahead and click on File, and the next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, click on Export Audio right here. So go ahead and click on Export Audio, and this window here is going to pop up. So you can share to audio.com or into your PC in this format, export MP3, WAV, FLAC, and other formats to your computer. Go ahead and click on export to computer right here. And this is going to pop up right here. Now, this is the file name right here. So I'm going to change this to MP3, okay? MP3, and I'm going to close the bracket. That's the file formats I'm going to choose right here. Then you have to choose your folder destination. For that, go ahead and click on browse right here. You have to redirect from Audacity document to your personal folder. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my desktop right here. So I'm going to save this particular MP3 file format into file convert DOC right here. I will hit on open. Then here we have save as type. So we have to make sure we click on here. These are available file formats for this particular Audacity options I'm using right here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to save as MP3 file. So I'm going to go ahead and select MP3 file. So having select MP3 file, then when next you want to do is to go ahead and click on save, and it's going to be redirected to this particular folder right here, and the format here is MP3 right here. Okay, next thing we want to do right here, under the sample rate, we want to boost the audio to make it sound more. We can click on here and choose 48 right here. Bitrate mode, so you can check on your bitrate mode, can put it in the average bitrate mode right there. Then quality of the audio right here, we can decide to work on the quality of the audio from default of 90 to, you can change it to 224 right here. Then entire project, so you can export entire projects as the case may be, or better still, you can so next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and come down below right here, hit on export, and the file has been successfully exported. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and locate the folder on your PC. So I have the folder right here, file convert, and you can see now I have successfully exported this file right here, which is MP3. You can see it right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about your Audacity software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.